the items that I ordered and then the items that I got for free. Here is what Ava has been waiting for. We have a Star Wars Mandalorian, the Child eyeshadow palette.
It's Grogu, Ma.
It says the Child is the name of it.
Not Child.
There's the package. Color Saver. Does have a mirror in it. Let me show you this. I hope you can see it. It says cutest in the galaxy right there. And then those are the beautiful colors. We've got mattes, shimmers, and looks like we have a glitter in there too. Very pretty. This is the one that she's been waiting for. And this came in a set. The other eyeshadow palette is the Mandalorian. Right? That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
The Mandalorian character?
The name's on the box.
I know, but I didn't know if that was the name
of the
because
show.
this one says the Mandalorian too, but the name of the character is the Mandalorian, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't trust me, it's in the show.
There's the packaging. Again, we have the Color Saver. We've got a mirror, which I'll show you a little bit of it. And then it has wherever he goes, I go, down here at the bottom. And then those are the colors.
And those?
Again, we have mattes and shimmers, and it looks like maybe one glitter. It's kind of hard to tell because they're pressed so well. Very pretty. You like them?
Yeah, it's mine.
You think everything's yours.
But it's Baby Yoda.
I know, and I paid for it.
For me.
I paid for it for you?
Yeah, for Christmas.
We got a while to go before Christmas. All right, what do we have next, kiddo?
Whatever this is.
All right, this is a Cheek Dew Serum Blush. That's what the box looks like. It is in the color Instant Crush. And then that's what that looks like. Let me turn it this way for you. It's just a squeeze tube. It does have a safety seal on it, good, because I have a feeling I would have gotten it all over the place. But it's just a nice blush color. You just put a little dab on and rub it in and you're set. Then I ordered this Cherish Pressed Powder Palette, which, guys, we have already looked at because I got one in my mystery box. I have good taste. This will definitely be going in a giveaway. You're welcome. Next. And then these are the items that I got for free. Like I said, I got 5 eyeshadow palettes for free. These are heavy. Feel how heavy they are. All right, this one is called Off Melrose. There's the packaging. Now, I don't know if I'm keeping these palettes or putting them in giveaways. I'm sure it's going to be a mixture of both. Oh, what is that? Weird. That is really cool. No mirror. We've got a combination of, this is what I was looking at, this glitter right here. Isn't that cool? We've got glitters, mattes, and shimmers. That one's very pretty. Next one, I've got So Very Lovely. Does have a reflection there, so sorry about that. Boy, I look pretty frumpy today, don't I? Sorry, guys. I was so excited to share these with you guys. I didn't even put on makeup or anything. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Oh, I like that purple. They all have color savers. There are these stunning colors. Look at this purple. I honestly don't think I have a shadow of that color. That's really pretty. What do you think, Lou?
Yeah.
Okay, next one is called Cabana Club. These are really pretty, though. Look at this glitter up in the top. That's gorgeous. The next one that we have is called Plush Like Me. This one's bigger than the other ones, size-wise.
I can't wait.
Feel this.
It's normal.
That's awesome. Look, here's the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got like a velvet texture patches on it. Or velvet texture design on it. It is gorgeous. Ooh, wow. Now this one does have a big mirror. I will cover that up. This one is definitely bigger. Look at that. Sorry for the reflection, guys. Oh my goodness. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. It's hard to see the one down at the bottom. I apologize. There we go. Mattes and shimmers. Oh, beautiful. The last one Ava's going to show you, it is called Limoncello. Okay. And this is another bigger palette like the one that we just opened. See, here's the size difference. There's the one behind it. So, it is a little bigger. But it was the same price. Free. Go ahead and hold it up and show them. Is it textured too?
No.
Yeah, it is. Here's what the outer or the inside package looks like. That's pretty. Okay, we've got a color saver. There's a full-size mirror on the top. You're just going to have to take our word for it so Ava can show you. And look at the colors. What do you think, Ava? Tell them about them.
I like them. It's yellow.
Yellow? Yep. Hold it up so they can see it and tell me which one's your favorite color.
Yellow.
Which one's your favorite color?
Don't know how to say it, but it's that one.
The middle yellow?
Put my finger in it.
Stuck your finger in it, so we won't be doing this one in a giveaway. That one's called Serenade.
You want Ava's famous
Very
fingerprint?
pretty. Yeah, hey, maybe that'll make it worth some money with Ava's famous fingerprint in it. All right, guys, that is everything we got. Let us know down in the comments what your favorite product was and what you think of all the products that we got in general. Any questions, feel free to let us know. Like I said, I will try and list the prices down below. And I think that is everything. Are we missing anything?
Giving me the Baby Yoda stuff?
Giving you the Baby Yoda stuff. Anyways, she's been waiting for this. There you go. No, you get one.
That's me.
All right, guys. Well, that is it. I hope you guys smiled at least once. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the thumbs up, subscribe thing, we would truly, truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.